Async programming keeps your applications responsive during long-running operations. The async and await keywords let you perform input-output bound tasks like file access, network calls, or database queries without freezing your UI or blocking other operations. Mark methods async with async task and then use inside the methods the await keyword. Await is going to pause the method execution until the task completes, but the thread is free to do other work, keeping your application responsive. Task represents asynchronous work, where task is used for void methods and task T returns results. Use async for input-output operations where waiting is involved. Avoid blocking calls like task.wait or task.result, which defeat the purpose.